Hello guys, welcome to the channel Health Tricks and Tips in English. This video is all about placental abruption. This is actually the detachment of placenta from its place, and its place is to the wall lining of the uterus. If this happens too early, that is almost before 37th week of the pregnancy, this is not a good situation for mother as well as for the baby. In this video, we will understand why does this happen and what you can do that this situation doesn't come to you. Placenta is typically implanted at the upper part of the uterus and it will detach only from its place after your delivery. But if it is happening in the first or the second trimester, this can bring huge complications to you as well as to your baby, because placenta is the only thing that will provide nutrients and the oxygen to the baby. If in any case the abruption is there to the placenta, the baby will be falling deficient of the nutrients and the most important thing, oxygen. You will find some of the symptoms if you are having this placental abruption, and the number one thing is the vaginal bleeding. But again, there is huge chance that you will not notice this vaginal bleeding, because in some of the cases this bleeding can be trapped behind the placenta and it will not be allowed to come through your vagina. In that case, you will not be able to feel the vaginal bleeding, and this would be a very worse situation for you. But this happen in very low percentage. So ideally you should see a vaginal bleeding. You will have sudden pain in your back and also in your stomach. You will feel immense discomfort and the lower abdomen pain. If you are noticing any of these symptoms, you should visit your doctor immediately. Now let's understand what all are the causes for this placental abruption, or what all are the factors that can bring this problem. If you are having any problem like high blood pressure or any history of it, then this problem can come to you. If you are getting pregnant at a very older age, like above 35 years of age, there is quite high chances that placental abrasion problem can come to you. If you still have not stopped smoking or taking drugs, then there is a very big chance for this problem. Other than this, if you are having any problem like urinary tract infection, umbilical cord problems, high amount of amniotic fluid, then the chances of the problem increases. Other cause be if you are having more than one babies, then there is huge chance of the placental abruption problem. Other than this, there could be an accident, a high intensity jerk. This could also be one of the causes. So normally when you have this problem, the doctor will treat you in different way according to the weeks of pregnancy that has been surpassed. And in most of the cases, if this problem has come to you, the big chances are that doctor will think of early delivery, because this brings a very fatal situation for the baby inside the womb. It is always better for you to stay relaxed. Do not do any work violently. If you are sitting in a car, always make it sure that you are wearing the seat belt. So friend, this is all about the placental abruption. If you found this video worthwhile, do give me a thumbs up. If you are watching the channel first time, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon and select all to get notified of all the upcoming videos on pregnancy. We will catch up in next video. Till then, peace out, stay happy, stay healthy.